Hello everyone, welcome to the third in our series of videos about the website and the thing with the whatnot. So we already learned about how to access the site, we learned about how to create a page. Now we're going to talk about there's a specific type of page that can be really helpful to use when you're creating your page. And I'll show you how to create one in a minute. But first of all, I just want to show you how it works. So I set this page, this latest news page, to be an announcements template page. Now what that means is for those of us who are logged in with editing rights for the site, we will see a button called New Post. If we click on New Post, it lets us make a new post. New example post. How fun. And I'll save that. So you can see here that it has this post as its own thing. So now when I go to latest news, you'll see that this pops up right to the top. So this is a way that we can kind of make a blog for our house, and any new events that come up, we can have things posted right there. If we have a reminder about field trip, whatever it might be. I'm not going to go into the specifics right now, but there are things called RSS feeds. And if a parent is into it, which I don't know how many people are really into it, they can click here to subscribe to the post, and that means that whatever news reader they have. That's not me, so I'm okay. Whatever news reader they have, our posts will automatically pick up on it. I doubt anyone will ever click that button ever, but it is there if people want to subscribe and get updates on our posts that way. Now let's say I just made that and it's just a dumb example post and I need to get rid of it. I just click on that, and this goes for any page you want to delete. I'm going to click on the gear and I'm going to click on delete page. And it's just going to say, really delete it? And it'll delete the post, and I'll say, yeah. And there we go. And then it takes us back to that announcements page, and you can see it's gone, so the picnic stays right up at the top. Now, so let's say you want to create a blog for your class. So we want to create a science blog. Let me show you how to set that up. So you're going to create a new page, and the only thing you're going to do different, put in your page name, science blog, is instead of letting it be a web page, we click on it and we make it an announcement page. And I'm going to do another little incorrect thing here just to show you how to fix it later. So I click create, and now I've got my science blog, and I can click new post and it'll make a new post and we'll be good to go. But I made a little boo-boo when I made this page. When I made this page, I forgot that science blog should be underneath science, right? There shouldn't be two different science things on the side here. So I want to change science blog to be a sub-page of science. So again, I'm going to go to my gear, and I'm going to go to move page. And it's going to ask me, where do you want to move it? I'm going to click on science and click move. And bingo bango, it's there. You can see it's gone from the sidebar. And if I click on science, you can see it's got a little sub-page there, and it's good to go. I think that's everything for right now. I'll do a tutorial later on how we can give students permission to be able to come on and edit pages. And we can be very granular with it to where we can say, you know, Saria has access to social studies only, or Saria has access to the social studies blog only, so that we can allow kids to have sort of a Web 2.0 presence within the house, and they can post information and they can kind of engage in that as you know, an enrichment activity or just kind of a general activity to reinforce their learning. And we can put them in charge of it, so that it, you know, it takes stuff off of our plate, but it also is another way for them to engage with the material. But I'll do that another time. That's the basics of getting our house page up and running. So good. Thanks for watching. Hopefully somebody watches it. Bye bye.